Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol iBio. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, quite a disappointing day here. And now, granted, the overall markets all got destroyed today. But this one actually started up with a gap up, which set it quite apart from the overall markets, which gapped down. But the problem is it turned out to just be a gap and trap. If you're new, what do I mean by gap and trap? Well, on Friday, the price closed right there. And then this morning, the price opened right there, hence the gap, and then in the upwards direction. Problem is, after the market opened up, the price made and showed some signs of strength, but after that, just rolled right back over and basically went right back to where it was. So does that mean that the entire chart is epically destroyed? No, I'm not talking about the entire chart. I'm just looking at today individually. And from that point of view, a disappointing day because it started off so strong, and then everything just kind of gave up. Not kind of, it did give up the gains. So kind of back to the drawing board as far as, trying to work its way back upwards. So the couple of key levels to watch going forward, we'll first start with areas of support, is going to be that pink line right there, the 200 period moving average, very famous level within the world of charts. And the current value of that is right up there around 26.5 cents. Good news is it's not like the price is threatening breaking down below that or anything. But nonetheless, from the overarching technical point of view, 26 is going to be that first key level of support. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, really two main ones that stand out. The first one now in the near term is that purple line right there, the 50 period moving average. You can see it with this little miniature bounce that occurred in the afternoon. Price got right up around that area, but can never quite push through it. So 29 cents is going to be public enemy number one as far as areas of resistance are concerned. But if the price can break up through there, the next level to keep an eye on, so red for resistance. If the price, like I said, can get above 29, then the next key level is going to be right up there at 31.5, which you can see is essentially what rejected it today. And then you go back and look, and there's a history there of that presenting some problems in the past. But again, before you start focusing on 31.5, price first needs to break up above 29 cents. But the week is young, still 4 days left, so let's see if this one can try to get things turned around and recovered. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.